Hey, how's it going? So first of all, I had recorded this video already and the audio wasn't on, so that sucks. But yeah, I'm making this video because I just had a recent issue with Fortnite not launching through the Fortnite application, the shortcut on desktop or the game launcher. So I did find a quick solution for you to use to avoid uninstalling and reinstalling the game. Nobody wants to go through that hassle. And yeah, for those of you that know, I love just wanting to play and then issues popping out of nowhere. It seems like it's my specialty. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the fix. So the simplest way to do this is to open up the Epic Games Launcher, look for the three dots here, go ahead and click on Manage. Once you click on Manage, you're gonna go to Verify. And then once you click Verify, you're gonna get a bar filling up because it's basically is verifying that all the files that you need are there and perhaps all the files that you don't need are removed or changed in some type of way. So once that is done, you should be able to open the game. um, I received one of those 00 something whatnot issues, but doing that allowed me to go ahead and launch the game. Another thing that you can do is update your graphics driver or graphics card to make sure that it works. This may be the issue with some games, but I noticed that Fortnite does let me play regardless of whether or not it's updated or not. The only issue that I have had is that if my card isn't updated, my controller won't work, which is the Razer V2 Chroma. Um, but yeah, there's another fix that you can do. I do have that in another video, which I'll go ahead and link to this video, whether at the end or in the description box or both, where you can work around the files that you have for Fortnite and kind of change them so that they work. I believe the issue though with that video was that the anti-cheat system wasn't being recognized. So that's how I fixed that. But yeah, let me know if this works for you. If you have other solutions as well, let us know in the chat. And then if you have any other problems, let me know as well. I'm always willing to help and do my best to help you out as well. With that being said, hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.